want to see what we made?
Whoa, that's amazing. Next.
Oh, I think it...
So the battery goes in there? There? Yeah, okay. It says battery too. Ooh. See, it's turning?
Okay, all good.
Mr. Robot. Oh.
I have an idea. You know how we just built that arm? What if we make it so that it can itch for us?
Like a back scratcher or head massager?
Yeah.
I think the basic steps that instructions give you is really helpful. And then after you build the simple structure, you can do whatever you want. It works.
We invented a back scratcher gripper. Well, instead of me always having to reach my hand behind my back and be like, ah, we can make a back scratcher. For me, it pretty much solved the problem.
Did you use instructions to build it, or was it from your head?
We built this from instructions, but we designed everything else from our head.
We built a space rover, and then we added some reusable parts, and we made it carry things that we didn't want to carry, like cookies and garbage. We came up with this idea together.
It felt good to use my imagination instead of just, copying what someone else was doing.
There you go.
Whoa, I didn't use instructions. I actually made this.